Hello guys, welcome to new video. Today we will install Postgres on Windows and specifically the command line tools. And I have already downloaded Postgres and I will just start it now. And yeah, the website is just in the very easy way I can show you here is this one and Enterprise DB downloads and then Postgres, and I took the first one. And we go back to the setup. We go, yeah, perfect. And we want to only get command line tools, and I will also do pgadmin 4, but for this tutorial, only command line tools. And then we can go install. And what this enables you is to use the pSQL in your PowerShell. And this is very powerful tool. You can access the database from your local computer if the database is somewhere else, and you can just log into it basically with pSQL. You have to provide username and password, and yeah, that's basically it. It will take a long time to fetch all the data, and yeah, afterwards you are happy to go with everything you want. So yeah, this is everything I wanted to show in this tutorial. Thank you for your attention. And yeah, I will see you maybe in the next video to show you how to use the pSQL for your operation, whatever you want to do. I have some examples in mind. So thank you very much and goodbye.